Hello friends, today we shall see how to use Swagger in .NET 9. If you have worked on previous .NET version, you might be surprised to find that Swagger is no longer included by default in .NET 9. In this tutorial, I shall show you how to manually install and configure Swagger UI in .NET 9. Swagger has been the go-to tool for API documentation in .NET. However, Microsoft has removed built-in Swagger support in .NET 9, replacing it with OpenAI service. If you still want to use Swagger UI, you need to install and configure it manually. So let's get started. Okay, we open Visual Studio 2022. Go to New. Select ASP.NET Core Web API project. Click on Next. Give the name of the project like Swagger demo. Make sure .NET 9 is selected. Okay, it has created a basic web API project with a default controller uh, like weather forecast controller. But if we run it, there will be no Swagger UI because it's no longer included by default. Okay, go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, Manage NuGet Packages for Solution. We type Swagger. Okay, we select Swashbuckle.AspNetCore. We install it, apply. Okay, Swagger package is installed. Now let's go to Program.cs and register Swagger services. Okay, next we enable Swagger middleware by adding app.useswagger and app.useswagger UI. This ensures that Swagger UI is only available in the development environment, right? For security reasons. Okay, Swagger is configured, so now let's run it. Before we run it, let's go to properties, launch setting.json and set launch browser true. It now when we run the project, it will launch the browser. So let's run the project and type URL something like Swagger. I already have this. Okay, we can see the Swagger UI. We can call our controller, execute, and see we got the response. We can also modify add Swagger gen method to include API metadata, right? So I write it like option dot Swagger doc new Microsoft dot open API dot models dot open API info, and we add title, version, description. It will make Swagger UI look more professional, right? Now let's run it again. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, if this video saved you from banging your head against the keyboard trying to get Swagger working in .NET 9, do me a favor, hit, and if you don't want to miss more interesting content, smash that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.